Welcome to another episode of Tech Insights. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of alternative firmware for ESP8266 and ESP32 devices. If you're a home automation enthusiast or just curious about the tech behind smart devices, you're in for a treat. So let's start with the basics. What exactly are the ESP8266 and ESP32? Well, these are low-cost Wi-Fi microchips with full TCP/IP stack and microcontroller capabilities. They're super popular in IoT projects, allowing us to easily connect hardware to the internet. But, just like a smartphone runs on an operating system, these microchips run on firmware. Now, the term alternative firmware might sound a bit technical, but it essentially means we're looking at different software options that enhance the original capabilities of these devices. And trust me, when it comes to the ESP platforms, the alternatives can unlock a whole new level of functionality. One of the most exciting features of these alternative firmware options is the web user interface, or webUI. Imagine being able to control your smart devices with just a few clicks in your browser. It really simplifies configuration, making it accessible even for those who may not be as tech-savvy. You don't need to write lines of complicated code. It's all about user-friendly design. But wait, there's more. Over-the-air updates, or OTA updates, are game changers. Have you ever had to update software on your computer? That's what OTA updates do, but without the hassle of physically being next to the device. You can push updates right over your Wi-Fi network. How convenient is that? Now, let's talk automation. Ever wished your lights turned on at sunset or your coffee maker started brewing as you're waking up? Automation using timers or rules is exactly how you can achieve that. Many of these alternative firmware options include robust automation features that let you set rules based on time, events, or even triggers from other devices. This brings us to expandability. Because of the modular nature of home automation systems, you can expand your setup over time. You can start with a few devices and add more as you go, all while maintaining local control via MQTT or HTTP. This means your smart devices can communicate with each other directly on your local network without relying on cloud services. All right, let's take a moment to think about the implications of having entire local control over your smart home. This approach significantly boosts your data privacy and cuts down latency issues, which can be a real headache with cloud-dependent systems. Plus, it makes your smart devices resilient. They still function even if your internet connection goes down. That's something worth considering, right? So to summarize what we've explored today, we've looked at how alternative firmware for ESP8266 and ESP32 devices can enhance your home automation experience through user-friendly web interfaces, the convenience of OTA updates, powerful automation capabilities, and the benefits of local control. Before we wrap up, I'd love to leave you with this thought. What do you envision for the future of home automation? Will we see more devices that prioritize user privacy, or are we headed for a cloud-dominated future? It's an exciting time to be in the tech world. Thank you for joining me today on Tech Insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating discussions on technology and innovation.